naturally brighter, glowing skin? Forget expensive treatments. Today, I'll share the best skin whitening home remedies that actually work, plus some amazing hacks and pro tips you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. Lemon and honey mask. First up, we have the lemon and honey mask. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent, and honey hydrates and soothes the skin. Here's how you do it. Mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply it to your face for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Tip: if you have sensitive skin, dilute the lemon juice with water to avoid irritation. Turmeric and milk paste. Next, the turmeric and milk paste, a centuries-old beauty secret. Turmeric fights dark spots while milk contains lactic acid to lighten skin naturally. Here's what to do. Mix 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons milk. Apply for 10 minutes and rinse with cold water. Use twice a week for best results. Hack: add gram flour to the mixture for gentle exfoliation. Aloe vera gel. If you want instant hydration and brightness, aloe vera is your best friend. Here's how. Take fresh aloe vera gel and apply it overnight. Wash your face in the morning. It reduces pigmentation and gives a cooling effect. Tip: store aloe gel in the fridge for a refreshing feel. Rice flour and yogurt scrub. Next, let's exfoliate with a rice flour and yogurt scrub. Perfect for removing dead skin and brightening. Here's how to make it. Mix 1 tablespoon rice flour with 1 tablespoon yogurt. Scrub in circular motions for 5 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Hack: add rose water for an extra glow boost. Potato juice. Did you know potato juice is a natural skin lightening agent? Here's how to use it. Grate a potato, squeeze out the juice. Apply with a cotton pad and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off and repeat 3 times a week. Tip: works wonders on dark circles and suntan too. Now for some bonus tips to keep your skin bright and healthy. Drink more water. Hydrated skin glows naturally. Wear sunscreen daily. Protect your skin from dark spots. Use vitamin C serum. It boosts skin radiance. Sleep well. Lack of sleep causes dull skin. That's it for today. Try these skin whitening home remedies and let me know which one worked best for you in the comments.